Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to show PayPal logo in listing. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Plugin Manager. Then go to Installed tab. Scroll down and select PayPal. Click on Edit. Install the PayPal plugin. Then activate it. Click on Yes. Now click on Start Process. Close the tab. Now go to Customers menu and Payments. Click on PayPal and Settings. In PayPal Setting tab, check on Enable for this shop checkbox. Fill Client ID and Client Secret text box. Scroll down and check on Logo in Sidebar text box. Click Save. Reload the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.